Okay, so now for this video we're gonna solve the following 4 exercises that are in our study guide. And then for exercise number 1, it says that we're gonna graph what they call a quadrilateral. We call it quadrilateral because it has 4 sides. And then they're telling me what is the T, the U, the V, and the W. Okay, so let's just start doing that thing that looks easy, because the first one, it says the T is a -3, -a. So I'm gonna be looking here, and it seems that they are counting by 2s. You see, because it is 2, 4, so they are not counting by 1s. Okay, so then -3 is about here. That's right. And then -a, we're gonna go down right here. So here is my T. That's the T. Now I'm gonna use a pencil because I don't know if I'm gonna have to erase the letter. So that's the T. Now the next one is the U. U is a -6. So this is 4. Then the next one is -6, and then 3. So 2, 3, right in the middle, right there. So this is my letter U. Okay, so now the next one is the V, that is 0 and 3. So here is that one. And finally we need a W, and the W is gonna be 3 and 0, which is here. So that is W. So now once we got those 4, we're gonna connect them. So then we're gonna have this there and this. Did you get the same? Okay, 4 and 5, 4 and 5 is no coordenada, es el vector de traslación. So you see this have parentheses and letters. This doesn't have parentheses and it doesn't have a letter. So what it means is, what translating 4 positive, that means to the right, 5 positive, up, 4 a la derecha, 5 para arriba. That's what it means. Okay, so then one way of doing this is, okay, so then now what we need to do is do the translation. So this is the original figure, but it says that it's going to move 4 to the right and 5 up. One way that we do with the vectors, once we have the vectors, so I don't need to be counting, is adding these numbers to get the new one. Like T prime, which is the new one, is going to be -3 plus 4, which is 1. Instead of counting the squares, this is faster. When you know that you're going to move it 4, then you just add 4. If you're going to be up 5, then just add 5. So -8 plus 5, what is it? -3, so that's faster.
1 y -3?
Yes. Now U prime is going to be -6 and 4 will give what? And 3 and 5.
-6 and 0?
So this is the vector that we're using to move it. So we're adding these 2 numbers to each one of this. Okay? Sumándole. Okay, so -6 and 4, that's -2. 3 and 5, that's 8, right? And then the B. Thank you, Arturo, for working. 0 and 4 is a 4, and 3 and 5 is an 8. Sumar 0 and 4, 3 and 5, and then the last one, 3 and 4, and 0 and 5. 5. Okay, so then we put the little quote on the top to say this is the transform figure. So now I'm going to look for these numbers for these points here. So T prime is a 1 and a -3. So that will be right here, right? That's the T prime. Now the U prime is -2. A ver, esto está raro. Salió mal aquí. 4, -3. Oh, no. Yeah, positive. So this is -2. So it's -2 and what? negative 2 and 8 hasta por acá. Oh yeah, that makes sense. This is u prime, this is t prime. Yeah, that makes sense. And then b prime is 4 and 8. 4 and 8 is here, right? This is b prime. And finally w prime is 7 and 5. So this is a 7 and a 5. So 7 is over here with 5 is over here. So this is w prime. Now finally we connect the new 4 points. So then this connects here and this here and there, right? And that's the figure. That looks identical. Do you see that it's identical? La movieron 4 y 5 para arriba. Thank you. I hope you enjoy this video.